Unit 4.1 Double Standards.
When I wake up late, I am getting very lazy. When you wake up late, it's the alarm that's crazy. When I say no to something, I am being stubborn. When you say no to something, you are being prim. When I raise my voice, it is shocking and rude. When you raise your voice, you are teaching me to be good. When I break something, I am clumsy or careless. When you break something, it slipped, you were helpless. When I do something wrong, I am such a terror. When you do something wrong, it's a forgivable error. When I quarrel with a friend, I am wild and naughty. When you quarrel with a neighbor, you are only doing your duty. So I am always wrong and you are always right. Oh, why do people grow up and spoil the child's delight?